Good morning. Welcome to 4th period Algebra 3 on Thursday, August the 23rd. Time for the warm-up quiz. Number 1. The solution. You should have negative 3x plus 5x equals 6 plus 2, which is 2x equals 8. Divide 8 by 2 and come up with 4. Number 2. We only had one miss this one. The answer is negative 3. Number 3. Answer on this one. You should have negative 10x plus 7x equals negative 12 plus 3. That's negative 3x equals negative 9, which will give you an answer of positive 3. Number 4. Everybody had that one right except one person. 3 is the answer. Last chance for a 10 million bonus, or a 3 million bonus. Everybody had that right. The answer is negative 6. Pick a number from 1 to 10. Drop it off. The winning number is 10. Already did the homework check. I need to see the answers to 1, 2, and 3. Answers to 1, 2, and 3. Negative 9, 6, 1, 0, 6, negative 2. Answers 4, 5, and 6. 6, negative 3. 5, 1. 10, negative 6. 7, 8, and 9 should be 5, negative 4, 1, 8, negative 2, or you could also put another negative 2. Answer to number 10 should be negative 3, negative 5. Still 3 million. Problem number 3 from the homework. I forgot to hit the record button. 3x minus 3y equals 24. And then on the bottom it stays the same. So now since you have 3x and 3x, they're both positive, you need to add the equations together. When you do that, these cancel. No, I'm sorry, you subtract. You subtract these, and when you subtract, since they're both positive, these cancel out, and then you'll have negative 3 minus 1, which is a negative 4, and then 24 minus 16 is 8. Divide 8 by negative 4, and you'll come up with negative 2. And I'll plug that back in here. So x minus a negative 2 equals 8. X plus 2 is 8, and then of course 8 minus 2 is 6. So your answer would be 6, negative 2. Forgot to hit the record button again. So we're on number 10 for the homework, and we're multiplying by 5 on the top. So it would be picking up from there, 15y equals a negative 6. And then on the bottom it stays the same. Alright. Now you have negative 5x's in both spots. So if that's the case, they're the same number, same sign. Subtract. Negative 5 minus negative 5 cancels to 0. 15 minus 2 is 13. And negative 60 minus 5 is negative 65. So divide negative 65 by 13, and you end up with negative 5. This, I'll plug it into the bottom one. Put a negative 5 in for y. So that will, I can't undo for some reason. It's a glitch whenever you're recording. But there's some kind of glitch that won't let you hit the undo button. So we'll put in a negative 5, and then equals 5. So negative 5x minus 10 equals 5. Negative 5x equals 5 plus 10. that would be a 15, and then divide by a -5. So that's a -3. Answer is -3, -5. Problem number 7 from the homework. We have a 4 and a -2. Let's make this into a -4. So multiply everything by 2. And on the top, that'll give you -4x minus 10y equals 20. The bottom stays the same. We now have to go back through and add because we have the opposite signs there. When I do that, these cancel, and -10 plus a -y, which is a -1, is -11y. 20 plus 24 is 44. So clearly this is going to give us an answer of -4 for y, and I'll put that in here. 4x minus a -4. Most common mistake is to just put one minus in there. You have to put the minus a negative. So that changes to plus. And then you have to subtract. And you get 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And your answer is 5, -4. The objective today is to solve 2 by 2 systems of equations. Time for the homework assignment.